already know I'm gonna get comments that's gonna make me cringe. It's not anybody's fault. You know, I'm not, y'all don't like this, y'all not. Whoa, hold on. Y'all know how I do. Okay, this is not one of them woe is me videos. I got good news, good vibes. However, this might be my last year on YouTube. Let me tell you why. So this is my baby.
Oh! Somebody! Oh! He needs some milk!
This is my corn plant. I had named him Tree Trunks. This is my little bookie dook, my little baby. If this is the first time you seeing Tree Trunks, I'm gonna show you what Tree Trunk used to look like. He definitely had a lot more leaves going on. He was a lot more lively, right? And then Tree Trunk has, yeah, this is Tree Trunk. So what, I'm gonna put this down, this is a little heavy, but what happened was I decided that Tree Trunk wasn't getting enough light, so I said, okay, well, I'm gonna move him to another area of my house, right? Left the tree out into the dining room. I had put it out in the dining room, and then just a couple weeks go by, and I noticed all the leaves had turned brown. It was dying out. I'm like, yo, what's going on? You're getting more light, right? What I ended up doing was bringing the tree back into this room and hoping that I could revive the tree, right? We gonna see, but it was kind of a analogy or a metaphor, if you will, for my life, right? So I had declared that 2024, and I don't like to do stuff like this for the new year, new year, whatever, no. Every day is a new day, every second's a new second. This so happened to happen around New Year, so here we are. But I decided that 2024 was going to be my year of release. I'm releasing anxiety, I'm releasing depression, I'm releasing anything that doesn't serve me, I'm releasing relationships that I've been holding on to that don't hold on to me. They gotta go. And also, maybe even releasing my baby, Tree Trunk. But the thing about Tree Trunk is, I still see life in Tree Trunk, right? Tree Trunk has had a lot of issues, and the issues is because of me. I decided to put it in a different environment, and I didn't realize it that I had it sitting right in front of a vent that blows out. It's supposed to be warmer air, but when I sit in front of the vent, I get cold, so it's cold air. And this is a corn plant. They don't like cold air, so me trying to switch things up and do something different, and I almost killed the plant, right? So with that being said, the whole analogy with this plant can be applied to my YouTube channel, right? I decided I wanted to switch something up. You know, I decided, hey, I'm bored with natural hair care, or what can I do? Well, I am a video editor, I am a filmmaker. How about I combine the two, right? And when I tell you, y'all, I was so excited. I was like, oh, this about to be innovative. This about to be this and that. Oh, y'all humbled me. Okay, now some of y'all are probably like, what are you talking about? But like, some of y'all, the most vocal ones, have been like rocking with me and all that good stuff. It doesn't go unnoticed. I love y'all. Thank y'all so much. But like, as a whole, YouTube was like, this is trash. I'm not blaming the algorithm. I'm not blaming YouTube. I'm not blaming y'all. The only person that is responsible is me. I knew to keep my plant where it was. It was just fine where it was, and I decided to change it and move it. And this is the consequence, right? Same with my YouTube channel. This is the consequence. I'm at the stage where I'm looking at my YouTube channel and I'm looking for signs of life. Is there any life here in the channel? Can it be revived? What do I need to do? And even if it can be revived, is it something that I want to keep doing? So like I said, not a woe is me video. I take accountability, all of that good stuff. I decided to change something for me, and it didn't quite work out in my favor, at least not right now, right? If season 2 isn't that thing that revives the channel. I can talk. There we go. If season 2 isn't the thing that revives the channel, that word tearing me up. If season 2 isn't the thing that revives this channel, it may be time to let it go. You know, it may be time to release it. I can tell you, and I've said this before, and I won't go too far because this ain't no woe is me. God is good, life is good, so this ain't no woe is me video. But I just lost that spark of doing natural hair care. You know, like it stopped being fun a long time ago, and now it just has turned into this. The only way you get engagement is if somebody gets pissed off or they disagree and they want to argue because you said that a product didn't work well on your hair, but they like it, so now they mad at you because you said you don't like it. Bruh, come on. Like, it's not that deep, but it's more of, I understand that this stuff is entertainment. It should be entertainment. It should be fun for me. It should be fun for you. And I don't think that that's happening, right? So that's been my tug of war with this channel. I haven't been consistent with it, and it's good reason for it, just because it's such a struggle to try to get, you know, to try to line up the stuff that I want to make with the stuff that I feel like the audience wants to see, you know. And again, I can't stress this enough because I already know I'm gonna get comments that's gonna make me cringe. It's not anybody's fault, you know. I'm not, y'all don't like this, y'all not watching. Nah, man, like it is what it is, you know what I'm saying? So it's not, I'm not trying to come at y'all, make sure y'all watch. No, if you wanna watch it, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, like with that being said, season 2 is still happening. I'm super excited about season 2. I can't wait for y'all to see it. It's coming along nicely. I will always be grateful for my friends for, you know, just believing and trusting me to create something and them coming in and helping me work some magic. So I'm a creator at heart. So whatever I'm creating, should be put out there when it's ready. So if you want to follow the journey, come on down, like I said, or come on up, because we're going up, right? So I'm about to go on this journey. Please join me on this journey. It's gonna be dope. It's gonna be dope. Why? Because I know God has his hands on it. God has his hands on me, on you, and we got this. And maybe for the last time, but as always, thank you so much for watching. Stay inspired, stay empowered, and stay beautiful. Say bye, tree trunk.
I am Groot.
Y'all pray for my tree trunk. Pray for my baby. I'm sorry, tree trunk.